Hey guys, so we're doing a car wash. Look, we're about to do a car wash. They're doing it first. We're gonna do it second. So, we're coming in. Woohoo! This is gonna be fun. Whoa, look at that.
You want to go neutral?
That is cool. Look. Ah! Oh, this is cool.
Wow.
Yeah.
We're about to go into the rain.
Oh, we're going in. There's so much stuff. Ah! Oh. Whoa, look at those spinny stuff. Woohoo! Our baby brother is so happy. Ah! It's so weird. Ah! Ah! It's so crazy. So crazy.
So we're doing the car wash because we're about to go to a recognition rally at
Woohoo! Yep. Oh my god, this is the best day ever. Oh, look at those stuff.
wash.
Oh my god, it's coming. Oh, whoa, that noise is so loud. Oh, look at him, he's scared. It's so loud. Water is coming. We're getting the soap off. Oh, there's people too. Whoa, look at that view out there. That's cool traffic. We're getting out. Oh, our car is really shiny. Whoa, look at the truck. Whoa. Look at the air. Whoa. It's so loud. It's really loud. Whoa.
We just finished the car wash and we're
Out of the-
it. Yeah.
So,
It's pretty clean now.
subscribe our video, like and share. Bye.